Do you wonder what's actually the easiest and at the same time the most money-making online side hustle at the moment? I can tell you that some ghostwriters can earn even up to 400k a year. Of course, you can do it the hard way, but I want to show you the easiest way. Go to People Per Hour and sign up as a freelance. Press search and then search projects. In the filter menu, press price and press fixed. Then press latest and press budget. First, some featured jobs will come up, but when you scroll down, you will see that the serious money will be shown here. Look how much you can earn. And that's the professions. As you see, some serious money to make. But don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to do it, so you don't have to write anything yourself. We will use the services of other freelancers from other websites. Isn't that clever? So go to iWriter.com and look at the prices. That's the prices per words. Isn't that great? So as you see, it's a great way of making very easy money, very easy good money online. If you want to find out what's the most profitable online business, then follow me.